Hey guys, we're back again, another video. We're gonna put some baseboard trim in this laundry room. We're gonna first take the back measurement, and then once I get that, I'll go ahead and get these side measurements right here. 67 1/4, 31 1/4. I'm gonna set this at a 45-degree angle going into the wall. So I want my first piece on the right side kind of slanted going into the wall. And then I'll turn it this way for the other side to go slanted into the back wall. So wear some earmuffs and your safety goggles if you have them. And then I'm gonna cut the first cut before I make the measurement. So I'm gonna put the measuring tape on the back end here, like so. I'm gonna run it down to 67 1/4. Mark, we need it to end right there. So I won't see that because it's going to be cutting. We're going to be cutting. Remember, we're going to be cutting a 45, so you won't see that line. Take, do a 45. So we're going to dry fit this piece in here, see how it looks. Just a little piece off of it. That's gonna work. Okay, so I went ahead and popped that one in and popped this one in. So if you see how it is, this piece needs to be kind of wedged this way. So we're gonna turn our blade, we're gonna turn our saw to where it's like that at a 45 degree. And we measured that at 31 1/4. So I'm gonna make it a little bit longer so we don't waste our piece. Always make it a little bit longer. Come dry fit it. And then, because sometimes that piece looks like it's measured at that, but it wedges a little further down into the wall, and then you have a big gap over here. So 31 1/4, we'll just go over a little bit, just so we don't waste our piece if it's too small. At 90. So we're dry fitting our last piece in, and that one fits pretty good. You can pop one of these in slanted a little bit, because it'll be harder to come out. If you don't hit a stud, once it's in slanted, it's kind of hard for it to pop out. So now it's time to do the caulking. Okay guys, here's the final product. If you see, we went ahead and caulked it in. And what we're gonna do is come back and I'll paint it tomorrow. But I just want to show y'all how you do this. I use a little bit of the extra caulking to fill in the brad nail holes, and hopefully they won't sink in too much. I'll just be able to paint it. If you like these type of videos, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.